Hi, this is Stephanie from Shabokin Designs, and I'm going to show you how to do the half double crochet back loop only. So at the top of your stitch you see a V. You're going to loop over and go through the back loop of the V. Go under, pull up your yarn, loop over, and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Loop over, again, go underneath that back loop only, pull up, loop over, go through all 3 loops. Let's do it again. Loop over, go underneath the back of the V, pull up, 1, 2, 3, loop over, go through all 3, there we go. And loop over, go under, pull up, loop over, pull through. This stitch gives you an amazing ribbing effect and is just absolutely gorgeous. What's one of your favorite stitches? Tell me in the comments below. I really hope you enjoy my video. Follow, like, comment for more.